Being an Indian, you can never undo or dislike the beauty you can have in sari. Even the Hollywood celebrities have started to choose saris and get the glam look. Well, there are beautiful drapes introduction left yet. So let's get the hands on the 4 most beautiful Indian sari draping tutorial. Let's start with our 6 yards common drape. Start tucking the sari in the liner from the right side and complete one round. Now, take the other end of the sari and bring it on your left shoulder. Pin it up. Adjust the drape, bringing it in the front and pin it on the layer at the right. Now, start making pleats of the remaining drape. And tuck it in. Set your sari flow as tight as you want on your hand and you're done. This drape is the one that every Indian woman is pro in. I've seen my mom draping it just in 2 minutes and she is better than me. I swear. This one is the pride of Maharashtra state, the Navvari look. I do not have a 9-yard sari, but even the 6-yard can make a justice to this look. Let's know how. First, let's measure the sari from one hand to another and leave it. Now, tie a knot on your waist. Take the leftover flow and start making pleats. Now, spread the legs and bring those pleats behind. Tuck those pleats in. For the other flow, do the same. Start making pleats for your pallu. Adjust it on your shoulder and pin it. Now, set the remaining flow and tuck it in the back side. And here you are done. You just cannot undo the elegance and beauty this Marathi look gives to you. If you are draping a paitani for this drape, then it's just cherry on the cake. Here's my one more favorite drape of all, the Bengali sari drape, the easiest and very decent one. Start tucking from one end in the liner and make a round. Now, take the other end and start pleating. Adjust the pleats and pin onto your left shoulder from front. Now, take the remaining fabric and start making big pleats. Now, just take the flow, adjust it and pin it behind. And here you are done with your Bengali sari drape. Oh, I forgot. Just pin the pallu corner on your right shoulder. A beautiful drape with decency, elegancy and so much comfortable. The last but the best for your festive or wedding look, the Gujarati Saree drape. I've added my own twist in this drape. Let's get to know what and how. Again, let's do the same. Tuck in and make a round. Now, start making single pleats and spread it halfway at the back. This is the twist I added. Now, take the remaining flow, adjust it on your right shoulder and pin it. I've pinned the drape from the back too and pin the drape from front too. If you want, you can leave the drape loose from back. It's your choice. And here, done. This look is very pretty and it also gives a little of lehenga look. You must try if you are attending any wedding ceremony. Here I'm done for the day. I hope you all loved the Drape series. I'll be back soon with such amazing tips, tricks and twists for you. So stay tuned, follow and subscribe and take care. Bye bye.